What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the car community on YouTube. On today's episode, guys, we'll just be covering Stradman, Heartnet Media and Evan Shanks and a few others mixed into the bowl as well. Before we jump into it, guys, if you're new here, check out my other videos. We're a discussion channel. Get involved, smash the subscribe button. We're aiming for 2,000 subs at the end of the year. I know you can do it. It takes 2 seconds to click it, and we will hopefully be getting a project car in the summer. So I need your help to really get the channel going, and when we get the project car, hopefully it'll be something fun as well. Also, guys, if you have any suggestions for any channels that are under 1,000 subscribers or 10,000 subscribers, comment below and let me know as well. And also, if you want to come on the channel for a chat, like a podcast, hit me up on my Instagram if you're a car channel as well, or subscriber, let me know. Guys, I'm trying to make this as interesting as I can also. So as I said today, guys, you know, sit back, relax, grab yourself a cup of coffee or biscuits, whatever you want to do, and we'll jump into today's video. So we're going to kick it off with Stradman. His latest video basically is him obviously putting the Aventador on tracks. And I kind of saw the thumbnail. I was like, will I watch it? Will I enjoy it? And you know what? It wasn't that bad. It looked like a lot of fun to do. You know, obviously, it looks like he's after burning the living shit out of the clutch as well. But you know, he can afford it, guys. It's Stradman at the end of the day. He's got the money to be doing these kind of things, to make this kind of content. I think it's nearly hit 1 million subs. So if you haven't seen any bit of the video, here's a quick clip for you right now. There you go, guys. Comment below and let me know what you think of this decision by Stradman to do this kind of video. Did you think it was stupid or did you enjoy it? I honestly, it was just cool probably just to see that somebody actually did it. You know, obviously, I think because it's a snow, you know, it's not really going to harm the car. I think it was just the clutch more than anything. It would probably need to be replaced if he was spending it burning a lot. But yeah, all in all, look, it was just a fun video, and it was just cool just to see what it could do. Obviously, the power of it compared to like I don't know, proper SUV or something wouldn't be the same. So yeah, fun video, guys. Again, let me know in the comments below what you think of his decision to make that kind of content with the Aventador. Next up is going to be Heartnet Media. I haven't covered these guys in a while. I just don't know why, because they're one of my favorite cinematography car channels out there. His name is Ben Heartnet. Like, he's in Japan, and this video, I always say, like, you know, these guys are one of the best out there watching this media, and this, for me, I was glued to the screen when he made this video of this 4K video of this R8 V10. I mean, holy shit. I'm just going to give you a quick clip. You got to check this video out on their channel. I was blown away how unbelievably cool this was. Fucking Christ, guys. I mean, like, what can you say? It's just, I don't know what camera, I know obviously he uses a 4K cam, but the way he comes up with the shots and how he edits it and just everything that's done, I've said it 100 times before, even my regular viewers, like, I'm surprised none of the big channels have paid to bring this guy over for a whole day or a weekend or something to do some of these cinematic shots to their cars like Stradman or DD. It would be absolutely epic. I just thought, like, he's just so talented, and this for me is like one of my favorite things about supercars and modified cars. When you get people that can do this kind of stuff with a camera, to me, it's just, I don't know, I just fell in love watching that R8. It was so nice, just the way it was modified and the sound of it. Just go over and check out the video, guys, and come back and comment below and let me know what you thought of it, because I highly recommend. You're really missing out if you haven't. Next up is going to be, who we're going to cover next. I think we should cover Elliot Alves, that's who we're going to cover next. So Elliot Alves, guys, if you haven't checked out his channel, his recent, well, not his recent video, I think it was about 3 videos ago. I meant to cover this before, and sorry Elliot, I forgot, but I'm covering it now. He's come out with a story about how he ended up selling his HELLCAT by using cards and bids that was made by Doug DeMuro, and just his experience with it and what happened. I don't want to ruin the video for you, so link in the description below, guys. Definitely go and check it out. What basically happened was, I don't want to, how to not ruin it, just it didn't go to expecting his plan, and he didn't get what he wanted for it on the reserve because of what cars and bids kind of suggested. And you can really, like, if you're really into your cars, if you get that car you're really like just baby over, like when I had my Supra, I nearly waxed and polished the car every week. It was spotless. I made sure every part in that car was just the engine bay. Like, it was my first proper high-end modified sports car, and I just, you know, loved my car. Like, I literally babied it. And when I sold it, I was in the same position. At the time, the prices of cars in Ireland were so low. I think I sold mine for like €3,500 euros, a 94 NA, and it was worth way more. And I was so gutted I let it go for that price. But I was going to Australia and I kind of needed the money. But when I seen it getting driven away, and not being obviously racist, by this young Polish guy who was around 19, I was trying to tell his dad he's not going to get insured in that car, but I just knew he was just going to tear the crap out of it, and that car was going to get ruined. And I feel where Elliot's coming from when he made this video. And any other guys who watch this video, go check it out in the link in the description below, you'll know what I mean. But I just felt heart-wrenching for him. But I did message him on Instagram and I said, look, onwards and upwards, bigger and better things, get more project cars and just create epic content. And you know, by next year you'll probably just be like, right, look, it happens, laugh back and go, right, I'm now here. So guys, check out his video and come back to me in the comments and let me know, have you ever felt like that when you've sold one of your prize cars that you have been really attached to, that you've babied? Next up is going to be Evan Shanks. So Evan Shanks, I haven't covered him in a while actually. He's been making really good content lately. I didn't even know that he went out and bought a Mercedes AMG GTS. He basically started modifying it, and obviously the first mod you usually always get for your car is a new exhaust system. And you know, the AMG GTs, like, they're not that loud. They're so quiet, like, you know, for those twin turbo engines, like I think they're V8. So he's gone away and bought an Army Tricks exhaust system. He's going to be putting it on the next episode, and I can't wait to hear what this sounds like, because the GTs for a supercar are just way too quiet. So I want to see what this sounds like. I haven't heard an Army Tricks exhaust on one of these cars yet. And Evan Shanks is making some very good content. I really can't wait to see how he modifies this GTS, and he's approaching 1 million subs as well. He also got modified his sister's Miata, or as we say, an MX-5 here in Ireland, and he got a new set of wheels for it as well. My god, they are so sweet with the body kit in it and the spray job. I mean, I really like it. His sister's car came out really cool. So again guys, link in the description below, go check it out. For his sister's wheels and just the Army Tricks exhaust. It's not on yet, but it'll be on the next episode. So yeah, I'm definitely going to follow up on that when it gets installed as well. And last up on the list, guys, is going to be Calvin Malley. He's finally back. He hasn't posted in like a month. He's like tavarish. He goes missing for a while and then comes back. But he said he was trying to figure out what to do with the content, and just figure out he's going to pump more proper content into the channel for 2021. They all say that at the start, but hopefully this time he does. Now, he has put a 240SX up as a for somebody to win it, and it looks like they have a winner picked out, but the car obviously isn't finished yet. It was fully resprayed, new engine put into it, gearbox, new wheels, new suspension, new headlights, rear lights. He got the smoked 50/50 lights, or LED. They're absolutely gorgeous. I really like it. But if you're looking for some JDM content, guys, like, he is really good at what he does. It's just pity he doesn't post as much. But I can't wait for this to be finished. He went away and did the interior as well. His girlfriend, like the amount of work that went into the interior, they stripped it all out, and she went down and literally cleaned it all and redid it, and kind of like nearly not painted, but they got it like black again. Came out unbelievable. Like, there's a lot of work on into this car. If you're looking for some JDM rebuilding content, I'd highly recommend going and checking out his channel and checking out his build. Hopefully now, you know, he'll keep pumping out content and we get to see this finished, because it'll be well worth it, because I can't wait to see this thing finished, because it looks like it's going to be pretty epic when it's done. So that is it for today, guys. That is everything that we're going to be covering. Yeah, hopefully you like this kind of stuff. Like squad again, hit the like button. Guys, comment below, please. Every Sunday I'll be bringing up your comments. And again, smash the subscribe button, guys. Do get involved. Love having you here and love chatting to you in the comments as well. So until the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.